Our chief guest, as you know, Kenya Wildlife Conservancies Association is our national umbrella organization representing both community and private conservancies in Kenya. As I stand here today before you, the chief guest, we have a total of 140, both communities and private conservancies, representing 7.5 million acres of land. And this is 4% of the total land protected in Kenya. One of them, regional association, Wildlife Conservation is one among the whole of region. And I'm happy to say we have 16 community conservancies surrounding Masai Mara National Reserve, protecting over 300,000 acres with 6,000 landowners who have given their land for wildlife conservation. I would like to take this opportunity to thank the national government of Kenya for having granted Narok County this opportunity to host this national celebration. A lot has been achieved. It was actually by design and not by default. We have seen so many landowners and communities giving their land for wildlife conservation. And I think this is the direction that we would like to request and embrace those who have not yet done so to follow suit. As we celebrate this very important occasion today, I have some key message and a call of action. As you all know, 12.5% of our gross domestic product comes from tourism, which visit this country because of our wildlife. In order to achieve more, I would encourage the nation and the people at large to invest heavily in wildlife security, at the same time creating more space for wildlife conservation. 65% of the wildlife in Kenya resides within community land. And I think for this to go an extra mile, there is need for profitable coexistence. I would also like to acknowledge strongly the landowners and the communities who have bared the cost of living with wildlife, and they have given their land voluntarily for wildlife conservation. I salute you all, and I would like to encourage those that have not done so to follow suit. I believe that we are all doing this because of the passion, the love, and the care for our country and for our wildlife. I would also like to thank the tourism industry, mostly the tourism operators, the conservation organizations, and those individuals who have actually contributed in one way or another for the success and the security of our wildlife. In particularly, I would like to thank the USAID through His Excellency the U.S. Ambassador Robert Godek for their kind support to Masai Mara Wildlife Conservancies Association and also Kenya Wildlife Conservancies Association. As we celebrate this day, we all need to realize if we lose all the wildlife, we will have lost all our livelihoods. Let us all join hands to protect and conserve. And if we must, and if we want to win the game, we must play it well. Thank you very much. May God bless you.